Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, Knack 3D Designs proudly brings to you our community print-off submission. So you may have noticed that during the assembly there were a few more pieces than the original model. That's because I wanted to print the whole thing in color, no paint. The dress was split in two separate files so I could do the petals of the flower and the leaves in separate colors. I also split the upper torso of the model into two separate pieces so that I could do all the skin parts in skin tone, and then her top and her hair in different colors. I hope you like my submission.